In this video we will be discussing how to use the ABS function in Excel. The ABS function in Excel is a straightforward tool for returning the absolute value of a given number. This function proves invaluable when you need to assess the magnitude of a quantity without considering its sign. To manually input the ABS function, follow these steps. Click into a cell and type =ABS. Open a set of parentheses. Select the cell containing the number for which you want to find the absolute value. Close the parentheses to complete the function. In addition to this example, you can use the ABS function with a negative number in the formula. You can also add the function to the outside of a formula to ensure that it becomes a positive value. Using the ABS function simplifies your ability to work with numerical data, providing clarity in your analyses. If you want to check out another resource, you can find a link in the description that will take you to a TurboFuture article titled How to Use the ABS Function in Excel. Thanks for watching.